Nepal has around 800 kilometers of mountain range and is home to some of the tallest mountains of the world. They are the glory, the pride of Nepal. However, over the years, an increasing number of visitors have turned these mountains into garbage dumps, thus contaminating local watersheds, threatening the health of the people, the environment, and an impact on biodiversity. These risks have been further amplified by the effects of climate change. One simply could not just stand by and look at the glorious ecosystem deteriorate and let human activity take an immense toll on nature. As a consumer goods company, we have to take responsibility for the country we are doing business in. Therefore, this year, Unilever Nepal partnered with the Nepal Army to clean the 7th highest peak in the world, the Dhaulagiri. A team of total 22 members, comprising of experienced Sherpas as team leaders and Nepal Army, conducted the cleanup of the Dhaulagiri mountain. The team prepared itself by acclimatizing itself in the high altitudes for 21 days before gathering all the logistic support to initiate the ascent to the 8,167 meter tall the Dhaulagiri mountain.
We have done the acclimatized training on Zomsom on Mountain Rifle School for 1 month, and after 8 days of trek we reached Dhaulagiri base camp. Due to the snowfall and heavy wind, we stopped on the route for 2 days. Going to the mountains, firstly we have to take care of our winter clothes and the mountain gears, and for that we were trained for 1 month in Zomsom on Mountain Rifle School. Mainly in mountains or in Dhaulagiri, there were the bottles and the packed food plastics, and then the tents and gasolines. This kind of garbages are found over there, and which mostly all the stops are buried on the glacier, so it's quite difficult to take it out.
The cleanup activity lasted for 31 days and the waste collected was ferried down to Takam and later brought to Kathmandu for handling over to our recycling partners.
Being able to remove more than 5 tons of waste from the Mount Dhaulagiri during this pandemic time was definitely the biggest success of this campaign. But it doesn't end there, because we have to make sure that whatever waste that we collect from the mountain doesn't end up in the landfill areas. And that's where the role of Optivencers come into play. After the waste from the mountain was brought into lower elevation, biodegradable waste were handed over to the local communities for composting, and the remaining 4.7 tons of waste was brought into Avni's facility in Kathmandu. So after segregating this waste into recyclables and non-recyclables, recyclables such as plastic, PET bottles, paper and metals, we send that to the recycling plant, and non-recyclables such as leathers. So in the process of managing this waste from the mountain, we make sure that we create as many green jobs as possible for women during the process of research, segregation and the upcycling of this waste by utilizing the skills of indigenous women of Nepal.
Through this campaign, around 5,000 kilograms of waste, including 2,500 kilograms of plastic waste from Dhaulagiri was retrieved. It's a small step towards preserving the pristineness of the Dhaulagiri.
The Mountain Cleaning Campaign 2021 was concluded on 5th June. And we were successful in doing so because of the help from various partners involved in it. I would like to thank Unilever Nepal for participating in this novel campaign of cleaning mountains and saving the Himalayas for the future. Thank you.